there, this is Kedar at Buzz Buddy, and I come to talk to you about my friend K-Fly, named after me. See, my mom was in the garden, and she found this butterfly who was just struggling to live. I don't know if it's a his or a her, but the wings were broken and bent. It was lying on the grass. It was struggling to fly. It was trying to grab onto the grass, and I really came out and I tried to help it, but I didn't know what to do because I didn't want to scare it, right? So my dad came and he put it on a paper and brought it in, and he put it on this box. And if I'd used leaf blowers, if we all used leaf blowers, right, this butterfly would have been sucked in. It would have died. And that's just another reason that we don't want to use so much leaf blowing. Another reason is that it has 300 more times ozone pollution than cars and harms the bees and anything else that lives underground. For those of you who didn't know, there are species of bees that are local to the area, and a lot of them nest underground. So what I'm doing is, I guess this butterfly is eating peaches and I give it sweet water. I really want your guys' suggestions. Do you know how I can try and help it repair its wings? Poor thing, I don't even know what it went through. It's lying down, it's asleep. I don't know how much more time it has. So I really want you guys' tips. Can you all give me some ideas on how to help it? What should I give it to eat and drink, and how should I try and help it? If you guys really love the butterflies and want to help me, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks.